Okay guys, we're down Newquay. Can't remember exactly which beach we're on, but we're going to do a big walk today. I've seen a big cave there, which I'm going to go and have a look at. Whoa, I thought that was a bat then, it's a bird in the back. I'm just getting my torch ready. You might have to spin the torch, you might have to twist it. Oh no, you're already on, Jesus. Yeah, you know you are. Right. There is a bird in here. Yeah, what the heck is that doing in here? What kind of bird is that? That is weird. It's not a chough, is it?
Last person that came here
turned into a bird.
Let's look at that flip-flop actually.
There's a bottle down there.
Random flip-flop.
Yeah, it looks like an iron mine.
Oh, it must be its hay.
I don't know, it's weird.
They have this all to themselves and they're like,
You stupid bipeds, get out.
What is it?
I don't know, it looks like it could be a chough. Yeah.
Isn't it? I think it gets stuck.
No, it possibly is ill. Well, we're going to come back this way, so we can always grab it on the way back. We'll give it time. It might have just flown in here because it saw us, and now it's cornered.
And it's pretending it's like,
yeah.
No, it's just us.
Come a bit closer, and I'll kick the little lever that's going to drop the rock on you. Right, we'll come back for this sucker later. I don't think it doesn't look ill because it's leaping, isn't it?
Yeah, I think
this is an iron mine. There's loads of deposits of like clay and iron here. Interesting, if there's blue clay, that means there's silver here. There is a little bit of blue in there. Okay guys, so found a couple more caves, you could call them. I've had to climb up on this rock to get up over here. There's no other way around. It's very, very slippery. Okay, that was a bit of a struggle getting down there. It looks like the most simple climb ever. I'm totally wading through on the way back. That was ridiculous. Tell you what, there's bits of jellyfish everywhere. All washed up, these blue ones. Weird black staining. Not kind of sure what mineral that is. That's really strange. I've not seen that before. But something black seeping through the rocks here. Hey, so it's more like a cavern in here, isn't it? You can see where the tide rushes in. It's just polished the edges. Incredible. Wow, that's a bit of a wind coming through there. Huh. Oh, weird. How weird. It looks like wood, but it's a rock. Been joined. We're a +2 now. 4-leg drive is much better than 2. Okay guys, so it does actually go through here, which is pretty cool. This is as close as I dare get to the water. It's lapping at my feet now. Yeah, it's at a mighty space in front of us. We are going to keep pushing on. Good God. There's a pigeon in here. There was a pigeon in here. Yeah, that was cave number 3 or 4. There's always like a skill set involved. Yeah, just trust yourself. If you can't trust yourself, you can't trust anyone. There you go. No hands. There's like whips of wind and the water just lifts out of the rock pools. Morgor, isn't it? Yeah. This Cornish sea monster, Morgor. But yeah, every minute or so, the wind just suddenly increases. I know it won't do it now because I'm recording. But you know, that rock pool a second ago, it lifted about 2 foot of water up, right up in the air. The water's started to flow backwards then. That was weird. That is really, really weird. It's like some kind of cyclonic weather effect here. So we're back in the iron mine. I'm going to shoo this bird out. Although I think, by the looks of it, it shooed itself out, which is a result. I'm just going to keep going in here and have a look and see what's actually lurking in the back of this place. You can see incredible deposits here, like beautiful red clay. Oh, you bastard! It just sprayed. It sprayed muck all over me. This is properly silted up, this place. My feet are actually sinking in this stuff. Go on. Got him out, guys. I am actually covered in stuff. God damn. Guys, so I got the little guy. I'm gonna see if I can find there's a bird rescue anywhere around here. He's too weak to fly at the moment. So we're gonna head back up to the car park here and I'll give him a call. So currently on the way to the vet. I've got the bird in the bag. We're about 5 minutes away. I'm like totally barefoot. My feet, shoes and everything are covered in iron. Yeah, I'm covered in iron. The car is covered in iron. The cornflake. I ain't stepping on that gravel. The car park finished me off, and I don't think I'll film this bit, guys. I probably don't want people running around in here with cameras on, so. Okay guys, so the bird's dropped off. It's got a new home. I've left my contact details there, and I think they're hopefully going to keep me up to date with it, so I'll have to give an update to you guys as well. So stay tuned for the next adventure. I'm going home now to have a bath.